29 forecast.
Good Friday evening, another beautiful day. Many of us this morning began in the 50s and 60s. Here's a live look from the Charlottesville-Albemarle Airport. Some high cirrus clouds there. We've had some cumulus clouds developing as well. A little bit more moisture in the atmosphere as opposed to 24 hours ago. It made it up to 87 at the airport today. 85 is the current reading. The sun will set at 7:41 this evening. It's 81 currently at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave. It was 54 to start the morning there. It won't be as cool tomorrow morning. 83 in Madison. We've got 81 in Palmyra, 82 in Lovingston, 80 currently in Waynesboro. And if you're headed out to any of the high school football games here this evening, those temperatures lowering from the lower 80s into the 70s, but a nice evening for not only high school football. Fridays after 5, paint the town orange here this evening on the downtown mall, so really a nice Friday evening to get out and about. Temperatures here overnight generally in the mid and low 60s. There'll likely be some areas of fog to develop, taking us into Saturday morning. And of course, Saturday morning is the Charlottesville Women's 4-miler at Fox Field, a great event benefiting healthcare at the UVA Cancer Center. Temperatures around 8 a.m. either side of 70. It will be a bit more humid than what we've seen the last several mornings. Here's a look at the football forecast as the Cavaliers take on the University of Richmond Spiders. Kickoff temperature around 12:30 in the low 80s. It will be a warm and more humid afternoon, but good for football temperatures in the 80s. Really, this Labor Day weekend, those temperatures hang out in the mid to upper 80s. While we're dry Saturday, we could see a few storms later Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening. That'll be in advance of a slow-moving cold front that'll really impact us early next week. Right now for Labor Day Monday, this could be more problematic, that we'll have a better opportunity for showers and storms depending on where this front positions itself. But with more cloud cover, we'll likely hold temperatures either side of 80, but that's for Labor Day Monday. We'll follow that over the next several days. Some high clouds, some of those cirrus clouds are filtering in from the west, and meanwhile high pressure is beginning to slip farther offshore, so our winds will come more out of the south and southwest here the next couple of days. A cold front working down from the upper Midwest will link up with some of this moisture you see pooling across the Gulf coastal region, the mid-Mississippi River Valley, and that plays into our forecast as we get into Monday, Tuesday, and that time period next week. But we've enjoyed some comfortable temperatures the last several days thanks to the fact that the humidity's been relatively low. The tropics, well, this is Danielle. Danielle's the first hurricane of the Atlantic hurricane season. Thankfully, no threat to any landmass. It's over 1,000 miles west of the Azores, really out in the central Atlantic Ocean. This area of disturbed weather, which has been monitored since early in the week, and National Hurricane Center had the Air Force reconnaissance fly in there. No distinct closed circulation yet, but certainly bears watching. There's about a 50% chance of development over the next 48 hours. In the morning, temperatures in the 60s, a little bit more humid. Tomorrow afternoon, mid to upper 80s. As we move into Sunday, we'll start with some cloud cover. Temperatures in the 60s, certainly more humid conditions. By later in the afternoon and certainly Sunday evening, some scattered thunderstorms cropping out to the west. Temperatures here tonight then in the mid 60s, some areas of fog under partly cloudy skies. There's a look at the Michael and Sons 7-day forecast. Casey and Steve, the unofficial ending of summer this Labor Day weekend. Again, those storm chances probably better on Monday, and that front lingering the first part of next week. Temperatures either side of 80.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Thank you so much.